So guys, my beautiful roommate, here she is.
Hi guys.
She is making
granola, not granula.
Oh my god, mbona unaniaibisha?
Granula.
She has mixed some things there. Please tell you have mixed, Jane.
Oh, okay, so I have some oats, some mixed nuts, which are some raisins, some cashews, some almonds, some pistachios, and I put, who doesn't love peanut butter? I just put my entire tin of peanut butter in there. And honey. Of course, everything has to have a little bit of sweetness. And then later we're just going to pop it in the oven until it's ready. I'll show you the final product later, guys.
Adios.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want to.
Because she's from UK?
Yeah, so don't speak Swahili.
Okay, I'm not speaking Swahili anymore.
Swahili. So tunaiweka sasa, tunaibake kwa oven until you see that it's turning brown. And then yeah, it's ready.
So will it like hold on each other?
Yeah,
you have to
be together. So, but we break it because we're not.
Bye. Good night.
We're not making we're not making like bars. We want granola. So before it's all dried out together, we're just going to break it up. But otherwise, if we were making like, like lunch bars, like or healthy snacks, we just like put it together, like compacted it together, like pressed it up, and then cut them and bake. But now we want granola, so we want them apart. Yeah.
My beautiful roommate. And she cooks. She cooks very well.
Shikane, hatutaki tu bars, tule tu snacks, tunakaa tule tu seseme wale wa mother wanatengenezanga huko kwa streets. Tunataka granola.
You are alive.
Oh, I am? I thought you were
So guys, this is how it looks before. So before going into the oven.
Yeah. And then that's our oven. So we're just going to pop in there. I don't know.
For how many minutes?
I don't look at the time. I just know how to cook with my eyes. I don't put the timer. I just have to look at my food, and then I'll just tell whenever it's ready. So maybe I'm just going to be checking it after maybe 10 minutes. But my
until the ancestors say.
Yeah. So my oven is currently at 200. I might decrease it to 180 as time goes by. But I'm just giving it like maybe 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. And then now I'm just going to clean up this mess. Ooh. But peanut butter. And this is natural. It doesn't have sugar. It's the sugarless peanut butter. Oh. I don't know why I have it in my fridge. It's no fun.
What is she?
So this is it. Just look the way it's just look. It's smelling nice.
I wish you can see the smell.
Yeah, I wish you can see the smell. It's I cannot wait to taste. Can I taste?
Yes.
Can we taste it?
Who's very banana?
What?
Who?
So guys, this is the final product. It's as crunchy as it looks, and this is just an idea for breakfast for those who like to eat cereals in the morning. This is a very best idea. It was nice. You can eat with yogurt, milk, or whatever. This is what we are using to make ugali. What do we call that in South African?
Papa.
Papa, semolina white. It's made from corn. I don't know. So the water is already boiled.
It's not boiling, it's simmering.
See, you see inside I had put, and then the way we usually put before the water is boiled, and then the maize flour comes up. This one is going down.
But look, it is coming up. The water is not boiled.
It usually covers the water so it can boil fast. So I tried that technique and it went right down.
Because
now
the water
let's
was
start
cold.
putting.
See, now it's coming up. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See, show them inside. See,
What
it's
if the
sinking.
phone goes-
You see, it's sinking.
Because the water is not boiling.
It's boiling like.
Girl,
See,
it's
my
not.
people, are you getting? I continue adding, and I continue.
But, mommy, why
stirring.
not wait for the water to boil?
This water is already boiled, Mama.
It should boil here and here.
No, you. Stop being a bad photographer. So I just continue adding. You need to be careful if you put more.
It's gonna harden, right?
Yeah.
Did you put salt?
No. Do you use salt? For us, we don't.
Look, it looks good. I could have made soft porridge in the morning.
I was telling you. I thought even it's porridge you wanted. So you see, but it doesn't have those bumps that we usually have when you are cooking.
It's not
back
gonna
at
have
home.
bums. This one is a private school
So you
maize meal.
continue. I just continue stirring like porridge. Oh God, I hope I don't put a lot.
You want me to help you?
No,
I
it's
think that's
okay.
fine. How soft do you want it? Gut? Yeah, this one is fine, mommy.
This one is good. Okay.
Otherwise, it's gonna be
So I
hard.
stop and I continue stirring this one.
You see, it looks good. Ah, look at that.
So she's eating this with egusii. For
Why are
me,
you exposing me?
for me, my stomach cannot allow strange food inside. I've never tasted egusii before.
You and I both.
Maybe
But we
I
can
will
both taste it.
today.
Oh, it looks good. Oh my god.
So here we are cooking just like our normal ugali.
Ipapa chum. Ipapa le.
Ipapa. Ipapa le. Let's make our ipapa le.
Hey, wena.
Oh God! This ugali is just cooked normally like we do. So here I just let it rest on the heat for some time before removing it. So this is our egusii. We'll just warm up and we'll try. We have never tasted this before. Lee, we'll warm this up and then we will try, me and you. But I'm just trying, I'm not eating.
You should eat.
No, for me I'm eating with something else. But this looks like eggs, no?
It's not. Probably is.
We successfully had a successful ugali here. Now let's put egusii. Guys, see what she's doing. What is that?
Papa. Don't do this.
She'll eat with her egusii. For me, I absent myself there. I'm eating with plain yogurt. If you don't have maziwa mala, try this combination. I've never tried anyways. I'm trying today. I was told it's good, so.
No. Don't do that.
How is it? But is it good? Is it good?
It's very spicy. Want some?
Guys, for our desserts, we are having BR.
You know what?
I will do it. Prolines and ice cream from BR. BR in full is Baskin Robbins. I've never tasted ice cream from this place.
Really?
Let's test today, and then we are adding cookies. But this is not. It's not the same one.
What do you mean?
This is different
Different from what?
from what you wanted.
Yeah, but it's similar. They don't have it.
Oh God! And the way you are picking. Okay, we are adding like this. This lady will show me maneno. This lady will show me maneno. It tastes the same. So that's it. So guys, we finished our lunch and I decided to do away with these dishes because if I don't clean the dishes right now, I know the laziness will just kick in and it will end up staying in the sink until the next day in the morning. Yeah, so I just decided to clean it up before the laziness kicks in. So this is basically what I'm doing. This was after our lunch. Yeah, so if you have watched until this part, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber here, you are welcomed. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Mbona nimesemea katikati? Nimesemea katikati so that I can see whoever watches my video until this far. So thank you guys for your support and I hope you enjoyed this video to the end of it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
So guys, this is what I'm going to have for my dinner. This ugali that remained from lunchtime, and then I'm just making some eggs and I cooked rice for this coming week because the week will be busy. I won't have time to cook, so I just boiled that rice just in case nimekuja and I did not eat from work. That will be my savior.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so
this is it. I've already finished cleaning the ice. Not too clean, but who cares? Already cleaned the dishes. Now I'll just go and eat this and then I sleep. I'll wash this plate in the morning. I don't have the energy for today, and that will be the end of our video. Until next time, bye.